Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious delicacies. Yeah. This is so delicious. Look at it. This is made from mango. Do you know what this is called? This is made from natural, fresh mango fruit. And over here, I also have strawberries. And I have bananas. This is delicious. Do you know what this is? They are made from natural, fresh fruits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make each of these, and you can also replicate them in your families. So come with me as I show you. These are the natural fresh fruits that I'm using for this recipe. Some I bought fresh and stored in the freezer, and when I was ready for this recipe, I brought them out of the freezer. So they are not frozen fruits bought from the store. They are not bought frozen from the store. They were bought fresh, and I washed and stored them in the freezer to preserve them. And I brought them out today to make this recipe. So I am using a popsicle mold for this recipe. Yes. So this is a popsicle mold made with silicone. It has 10 compartments. And yes, the golden ones that you can see are the popsicle holders that I'm going to use. And the size of this popsicle mold is such that it is big enough for kids and also for adults. So it's just right for this purpose. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how I washed it. In water, I washed it with warm water, so that it will be clean, because it's so that no factory residue will be in there. I washed it thoroughly with soap and warm water, like so. And then I went on to rinse them and dry them up before using them. So this is a very easy recipe. So I'm starting off with the banana flavor. So I'm making natural fruit popsicle. So I'm peeling off the banana, then I am going to blend it. Yeah, so I'm going to blend it. It's best to even call this paletas. Yeah, that's a South American name for popsicle made with natural fruits or vegetables, and not just coloring and ice. So this is not just coloring and ice I'm making. This is actual natural fruit popsicle. So I'm going on also to blend oranges. So by the way, my hand is properly washed. So I'm blending the orange like this. So this is the orange. So the next fruit I'm going to blend is raspberries. This is one of those fruits that I washed the previous day and kept in the freezer, and I brought it out today for this recipe to make this natural fruit popsicle. So let me go ahead and blend it. And after blending, I put it aside and The next fruit is blueberries. As you can see, this is fresh blueberry fruits that I'm using for this popsicle paletas. Yeah, so let's blend them. Everybody loves blueberries. Blueberries are very healthy fruits to eat. This is mango that I brought out from the freezer, pre-washed and kept in the freezer overnight, and I'm using it for this recipe today. So it's also fresh, natural mango that I'm using for this recipe. So I'm blending it now and pour it out into a bowl, and I'm going to show you what next to do with each of these fruits. I'm going to blend a couple of more fruits such as strawberry and pineapples, and I'm going to show you after that how to use the popsicle mold to make the popsicle stroke paletas. So let's go. So these are all the fruits that I blended. About 7 different types of fruits that I'm using to make these paletas. I'll pour them into that popsicle mold in a short while. So this is pineapple, this is mango, banana, that is orange, raspberry, blueberry, and strawberry. Here is the popsicle mold, washed, clean, and ready for use. The idea is to pour in each of these fruits into the different compartment of the popsicle mold. So I started pouring in the raspberry, but it's too thick to go. I noticed it was too thick to go in. Yes, see, it's not coming out through the other side. So yeah, if you have ever experienced this, let me know how you resolve the issue. So I decided to just scoop it in into the different compartments using a spoon like this. And so after I finish putting it in, I cover it with the popsicle handle. This is blueberry. Pineapple. Mango. Banana. This is banana. This is orange. To have another mango. So I finished pouring all the blended fruit into the popsicle mold, and it's ready to be transferred now into the deep freezer to freeze for at least 24 hours before they are ready to pop. So let's move it there. So this is 24 hours later. So what you do is to wiggle, each of them slightly, and you can then pull it out like this. Yeah, so let's do that. For this one, I'm trying to wiggle it out. Oh, it's the one that I had two different kind of, about 2 or 3 different fruits in there, so it got broken. So let's try the other one. So another tip also is to bring out the mold from the freezer and leave it inside the fridge for like 10 to 20 minutes before you start popping each of them. So let's bring each of them out. So this is all of them spread out. You can see how colorful they are all looking. Popsicle natural fruit paletas like this are very good, and they come handy during the summer period. Kids also love them, because if you can't get your kid to eat fruits, just have them blended and make them into popsicles or paletas like this, and yes, you will see that they will start eating fruits. So here you go. This is my natural fruit popsicles, also known as paletas. This is so colorful. Tell me in the comment section which fruit is your best. This is so delicious. Thanks for watching my video. Click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Also click the thumbs up button to like this video, and share my video to your friends. Share with your friends so that they can learn how to make this. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.